Here, Bigfoot video. So in today's video, I'm gonna start getting I got the tarp down for the pool, and that came with the pool. And then I'm gonna put some foam insulation boards down and tape them all together to go underneath the pool liner. And I'm just gonna start putting the pool up. So hopefully I can get pretty far today and get it assembled and get everything where it needs to be and start filling it up with water a little bit, double check my level on it. And as long as that's good, then I'll just keep on filling it up. So here we go. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. As soon as the video is over, go check out some of the other content. Here we go. Enjoy the clip. All right, everybody. So far, so good. Next step is to get these boards underneath all these supports and make sure that those little things are pulled as tight as possible. And then I'm gonna put the boards under the tarp, and I'm also going to not dig them into the ground because I'm pretty sure they're gonna kind of compress down a little bit anyway, just because it's already packed soil. But I just think once the weight gets on it, it's gonna pack down a little bit. And I wouldn't do that if I didn't put this inch thick styrofoam thing on here. So the whole pool is going to be elevated a little bit anyway. So when I put these 1.5 inch thick boards on here, you know, I'm already kind of like level with the ground, which is really what they want you to do. So if it doesn't work out, I don't think it's going to be catastrophic. I'll just redo it next year, but I think it'll be fine. It shouldn't slip around or anything. And if I have to, I'll pack some dirt around them or something like that. But I'm pretty sure they're going to pack down as the weight of these bars pushes down as it fills up with water, because there's a lot of freaking water. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to start filling this thing up with water. I think I already checked my drain plugs at each corner. So here we go. Enjoy the next. Everybody, Bigfoot here. So we're filling up the pool and it's going good so far. We just got it just filling up a little bit, and it's filling up pretty good. The only I'm just double checking that it's going to be level, and the corner in the very top middle of the screen, that back corner over there, is the only corner that's slightly higher on the other 3 corners. So you can tell that it's already starting to fill in that area down there. So it's pretty dadgum level. So because right now it's basically going to be filling in, it's going to fill in all of the imperfections within the level grade, the level plane. So there's going to be slight low, slight high spots, but the summative average of all those low and high spots should net out to a level plane, essentially. It won't matter. Only got so much coming into the house. Only got a 3/4 inch line. We got a 3/4 inch line coming in the house, I'm pretty sure.
Is that good?
Small. I gotta upgrade it.
If we did 2 water hoses, would it help all?
Nope. Alright, I'll keep you posted. Bigfoot out. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section.